guys, welcome back to Fun Time with Sky. Today we're going to make my own galaxy slime.
You guys ready? Let me see, Sky. Ooh, there you go. So that's the slime. What about yours?
This one. Can I hold it?
Yeah, just mix it for a while.
Wow, the seeds are
Oh, so that's why. Skylar, show me. Oh, nice. Let me see your slime. Can you see?
So sticky. Yeah, because it has so many glue. Oh, glue is sticky and slime is sticky.
Yeah.
My slime.
Can I show us your slime? Ooh, with the googly eyes. Let me see yours, Sky. Stars. Oh, done with slime. Show us. Put it like that. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.